here at TAUNY, and along with Ruth McWilliams, I'm the co-curator of this exhibit, St. Lawrence County Barn Quilts. I'm very excited today to have a special guest here with us to talk about one of the special projects in the exhibit, the painted Sap Buckets. Shelli, would you introduce yourself and tell us a little about this project?
Sure. My name is Shelli Prespare-Weston, and I live in Pierrepont, New York. And I got involved with doing the barn quilts at Pierrepont Central School with Ruth McWilliams, who did design the St. Lawrence County quilt that is part of the display. And as I was looking at it, I decided that I would like to try to put one on a sap bucket. My family has had maple syrup, sugar shanty, and my husband's family has had them. So I started with the Pierrepont Sap Bucket just to see, because that's my hometown, just to see if I could do it. And then, of course, working with Ruth, we decided that maybe we would do a few more. The particular challenge with doing the quilt pieces on the Sap Bucket is that they're conical shaped. So not only do they, are they circular, but then they also kind of taper down as you go. And so it was harder to get the pattern onto the Sap Bucket. And it actually took Ruth and I and someone else a couple of hours to figure out how to do that. But once we developed the process for that, it was very easy to put the pattern onto the buckets and then go from there. So a ruler that can bend happens to be quite a handy thing as well. After we got the 32 Sap Buckets finished, one for each town in the county, we decided to display them at the TAUNY exhibit. And then when we decided that it would be part of the display, the next project was to build a shelving unit that would hold them in the same order as the larger barn quilt that was done. And then we needed to have a way of displaying them without them falling over. So my husband came to the rescue and built the specific shelving for it. The best part of the process is being able to work with other people who are doing the same sort of job at work that you are. So working in the studio with other people who are working on their own barn quilts was fun, and I also was able to work with my granddaughter and teach her how to do some painting on the buckets and doing the taping procedure that we do for the barn quilts.
Wonderful. Well, thank you so much for sharing this piece for the exhibit and for joining us today.
You're welcome. Thank you.
And thank you all for joining us today.